Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and now let's tap on About Phone. Here we have to scroll a little and tap on Backup and Restore option and scroll down again in order to find the Google Backup section. As you can see, in my case, Backup My Data is turned on. If you've got it turned off, you will see that you actually cannot tap on backup accounts. So make sure that this option is turned on just by tapping on the switcher, and now you can tap on backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. I've got it saved, so simply tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept because later on it will be listed. And as I said, here we've got what the backup includes. So it will backup, your device will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So simply tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. What's more, we've got the automatic restore option, which is right now turned on. Obviously you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and it means that when you will reinstall some apps, your device will restore backed up settings and data. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.